How to hide online status and last seen on WhatsApp. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to make sure that you are signed into your WhatsApp account. Now once you are signed in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now from here, simply tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, scroll below and then tap on privacy. Now once you are inside privacy, simply tap on last seen and online. And you want to make sure that who can see my last seen is selected to nobody, and also who can see when I'm online is selected to same as last seen. And with that, you'll then be able to hide online status and last seen on WhatsApp. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.